You might have had a grilled cheese, you might have even had bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers, but have you ever had a bacon wrapped jalapeno popper grilled cheese? Yeah, that one's coming now. Hey YouTube, welcome to Griffin Grills. I am Griffin, and as you heard in our intro, we're going to be doing a recipe that I got sent to me by someone who wanted me to try it, so we're going to try it today. Essentially, it's a grilled cheese with the flavor of a bacon wrapped jalapeno popper. So we got a little bit of preparation to do for now to get this sandwich going. So while we're getting set up to do that, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way you'll be notified every time that I upload a video, especially if you click that little bell notification. You can also help me out by liking, leaving a comment, maybe there's something you want to see, and you can share this with your friends so that they can see this. So let's get everything prepped up right now. I got to start by roasting off some jalapenos on my charcoal grill, so we'll get that set up, get the fire going hot, get that done, and then we're going to move on to the Blackstone, where we'll primarily do a lot of our cooking today. But let's go ahead and get our charcoal hot so we can get these jalapenos roasted. So to get everything started, I've got some charcoal lit over here, and I've got 4 medium-sized jalapenos. We're just gonna set them directly on the grill grates. Just to get a nice char on those. So we'll let those go for a little bit, and then we're gonna let them cool off. We'll de-seed them, chop them up, mix them up in our mix. All right, now it's time to get some bacon on, and today I'm using Wright's brand real wood smoked hickory bacon, the thick cut. I like a thicker cut on the sandwich. I think it adds a little element to it. And I did throw just a little bit of a wood chunk in on my grill while my jalapenos are smoking to help give it a little bit more smoky flavor. The bacon's gonna be smoky. I want the jalapenos a little smoky, and the cream cheese and the cheddar cheese will help kind of balance everything out. So we'll get this bacon toasted up and get it cooling, and then we'll start assembling our sandwich. So I am doing 2 sandwiches, so I've got enough stuff here for 2. I've got 1 block of cream cheese, my 4 medium jalapenos. We're gonna do 8 ounces of shredded cheese. Sharp cheddar is what I preferred. And then we're just gonna season that to taste with salt and pepper. Not gonna go quite as heavy on the salt because we do have bacon going on this sandwich as well. And I like just a little bit of garlic powder just to give it a little zip. Alright, so we'll get this all mixed up and get it on our bread and get our bread down so we can start toasting off this grilled cheese and also add that bacon. So give me a few minutes to get this all mixed up and incorporated, and we'll be back on the Blackstone. And now for the moment of truth, I went ahead and assembled my sandwiches. You can see I've got my cream cheese and jalapeno mix here. I've got my cooked bacon on there. I've got the cream cheese jalapeno mix on both sides of bread, and I went ahead and buttered it underneath already. Put them on this cookie sheet just to make it a little easier for myself. And even though it's got some butter on there, We're just gonna give the Blackstone a good coating of butter just to help ensure that nothing sticks. Because who doesn't like a little extra butter? You came here for healthy food, I'm sorry. Alright, once we start getting that nice brown butter mix, we'll go ahead and put our sandwiches down. I'm going to turn my heat down on the Blackstones to just the first white mark before the orange marks. There's 2 orange marks that are the very last setting. We don't want it too hot that it's going to burn our bread before it melts our cheese. So we'll let these go for a little while, and then we'll be showing you what it looks like. We'll do a cross section and, of course, the taste. Alright, so I do apologize. It was a little hasty outside. It started raining, and I don't have a cover over my Blackstone, and water droplets on a hot Blackstone don't work very well. But we did get the sandwich cooked. Nice toasty bread. Let's give it a try, see what we think. Exactly what you would think of when you think of a bacon wrapped jalapeno in a sandwich form. That buttery brioche bread, the smokiness from the jalapeno and the bacon, the creaminess of the cream cheese and the cheddar. Definitely recommend you give this one a try. I also would highly recommend if you subscribe to the channel below, and if you don't mind helping me out, you can like, share, and comment on this video. Let me know if there's something you want to see. We'll fix it up. This one turned out great. So I'm gonna sit here, I'm gonna eat my lunch, and we will catch you on the next one.